Hello class, my name is Shale and I will be presenting section 2 of this presentation. For this presentation, we will start by defining water pollution. We will then talk about the primary causes of water pollution. From there, we will discuss how this impacts the environment and the health of others. Finally, we will discuss who is affected by this pollution. The definition of water pollution is any disturbance in the chemical, physical, or biological qualities of water is considered water pollution. Water pollution affects a broad variety of water sources, including rivers, oceans, lakes, and aquifers. Chemicals, waste debris, and contaminated substances may enter bodies of water when they are discharged directly or indirectly. The primary source of introduction of these external hazardous elements is human activity. Water pollution is second only to air pollution in terms of its impact on the environment. Oil is a significant portion of the pollution of water. Oil dumping and spills have been caused by routine shipping, marine port activities, and oil refining in the oceans. Insoluble in water, the oil forms a thick coating on the water's surface when it spills. Due to the lack of light and dissolved oxygen, oil spills may have a devastating effect on marine life. A couple other primary causes of water pollution are sewage and wastewater, are from things as simple as taking a shower or washing your hands. Then there are some serious things like leaking landfills. This is a huge part of water pollution. A landfill is a site where a lot of trash is buried and disposed of. Whenever it rains, the groundwater from these sites is quite hazardous and could possibly even join the water table. Another form of water contamination is animal excrement. Waters from rivers and canals flow down to the seas when it rains. Mixing animal excrement with other pollutants could potentially cause serious and dangerous pollutions. Once the damage is done, it may set off an entire cascade of events that puts the health of the whole aquatic ecosystem at risk. Pollution of water results in an algal bloom, which decreases oxygen levels in the lake or other body of water. This could lead to food chain contamination, illness, and general unhealthiness in our waterways. Water pollution has vast effects on human health. These include ingesting microplastics. Microplastics may enter the body via drinking water or contaminated seafood. A study done in Tokyo Bay in 2016 found that more than 77% of the anchovies tested had microplastics in their digestive tracts. Another big problem that comes with water pollution is consuming water that's contaminated by sewage. A study done in 2018 found that about 2 billion people across the globe are actively drinking water that's polluted with feces. Another big problem is drinking water that's contaminated with chemical waste. There are a number of common household products that contain harmful chemicals that should be avoided at all costs. These can cause cancer, brain dysfunction, and even death. In this situation, it's the aquatic wildlife that suffers the most. Fish, dolphins, and birds are just a few of the species that make up this group. This water pollution, whether it be trash or chemical waste, results in a lack of dissolved oxygen. These animals can suffocate in the water. Pollutants such as oil can absolutely devastate these ecosystems. By being a thick layer on top of the water, it can do something as big as block out the light. In conclusion, water pollution is a severe environmental concern that may be caused by a wide range of toxins, many of which are listed here. Polluted water may have a negative impact on human health, whether consumed, entered, or washed in. There are a variety of approaches that may be used to assist reducing water contamination. If a person is experiencing any of the impacts of water contamination, they should immediately consult with their doctor.